Hi guys, this is Python Programming 16, lecture number 16, where we are going to discuss about tuples. So what is a tuple actually? Tuple is an ordered collection of elements. So tuples are immutable, that means not changeable. So this is the main difference between list and tuples. Okay, the elements of list are mutable, that is changeable, but elements are tuples are immutable, that is not changeable or not modified. And elements may be of different data type. So the elements of the tuples may be of different data type, and elements are inside the parentheses and separated by comma. So that is the characteristics of tuples. So how to access a tuple? So using indexing, which we have discussed in list. Okay, so indexing means the index starts from 0, and using slicing, this also we have discussed in listing. So you are able to extract part of the tuple by using the range of indexes. Third one, using unpacking tuple. So we'll see examples for these all these three, so that you can understand the how to access a tuple. In this Python code, we have created a tuple with the name A, and the contents are 53 con 2187. Print A means it will print the elements of the tuple A. Print A of 1, that is this index specifies 1 means the index starts from 0. So 0, 1. So it will print this element, that is KHAN, the name of the candidate con. And next print, this is a slicing operator, A of 0 colon 3. That means this is a start value 0 and end value 3, and step value is not given. It's indeterminate. Step value is not given means the default value is 1. So it will take 0, 1, 2. The first three elements will be displayed. Then print A of minus 1. So minus 1 means we already discussed in list. Okay, the slicing operation has been detailedly discussed in the list. So if you have any doubt in slicing, you can refer the lecture on slicing on list. So minus 1 means it will come from reverse. So that is the last element. So this will print the last element. Then this print statement. So starting index is minus 1. Ending index is minus 4. That means it will go up to minus 3 only. So we are going to step value is minus 1. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if you run this code, so you can see the output. See. So first it will print all the elements. Next time A of 1. Okay, next it will print A of 0, 1, 2. And last next print A of minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So that is a way to access a tuple. So we have seen how to access a tuple using indexing and slicing. Now let us see how to access a tuple using unpacking method. So here we have created a tuple with the name A with the 4 elements like this. So this step is called unpacking the tuple. So B, C, D, E is equal to A. That means it will unpack the tuple, and each element will be assigned to the corresponding variable. That is, this first element will be assigned to B, second element will be assigned to C, and third element will be assigned to D, and fourth element will be assigned to E. But we should remember that if there are 4 elements in the tuple here, the left side also 4 variables must be given. Suppose if I give 3 variables or 2 variables, it will create a error. So this is called unpacking a tuple. So if I print B and C, can you find out what will be printed? B is equal to 53, isn't it? C is equal to the name of this candidate, KHAN, that will be printed. Another way to assign a tuple is packing. So we have seen unpacking. So this is packing a tuple. So how it is done? So you assign the elements to this variable t. So automatically this t will be considered as a tuple. So t will be created as a tuple with these elements, 4 elements, 67, Rishi, 22 and 67. So I can convert this into f is equal to tuple of t. That means f will be created as a tuple with the same elements in t. So even we can just assign it like this also. G is equal to t. In this case also, G is a tuple with the elements as it is available in T. So if I print all F, T, G, all will have the same elements. So this is an example for packing. So we have seen how to unpack a tuple, then how to pack a tuple here. So that is the facility available with the tuples, unpacking and packing. So if you run this code, so see B will take the value 53 and C will take the next element. So this is the three tuples created using packing, isn't it? The first one is F, the next one is T, next one is G. Let us discuss methods used with the tuples. So in this code, we have created a tuple A with the elements 53, 44, 55, 21, 87, 67 and 53. So the index method, which we already discussed in list also, that is the index method will return the position of the occurrence of this element, isn't it? That is first occurrence of this element. So 21 occurs in this place now. So what is the index of this element here? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I value is 3. So I value will be 3, that is displayed. Then here print a of count of 53. That means it will count the number of occurrences of this element in this tuple A. So here 53 occurs 2 times. So 2 is the output. And what is this function? We already discussed in list also. This returns the number of elements in the list. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length is 7. Then print a minimum of A. That means minimum element in this list tuple and maximum element in the tuple and sum of all the elements in the tuple. And del A means it will delete the particular tuple itself. So after this command, we try to access the tuple, it will display a error because we have deleted the tuple. But we should note down that all these methods are common with the list also. That means these methods index, count, length, minimum, maximum, sum. All these methods can also be used with the list. We can iterate through tuples as we have done it in list. For example, this Python code, we have created a tuple A with 5 elements. So this statement for I in A. So this I will take the values from this tuple from the first element. Suppose we take initially I will take 23, then 45, then 56 and so on. So the initially I will take 23. We will print the square of the I, for example. If we want, we can process. So next time it will take I will take 45. So third time it will take 56, like that. So we can easily pass through the values in tuples. Let us see the difference between list and tuples. List is mutable and tuple is immutable. Mutable means it's changeable, but immutable means not changeable. And iterating through list is slower than tuple. Iterating through tuple is faster than list because as the elements are fixed, we can do it faster. Lists are suitable for changes in elements required. Tuples are suitable for fixed elements without any change. There are many methods are available for list, but for tuple, few methods are available as tuples are immutable. So this is the difference between list and tuples.